Today's feature Friday at Love Notions is the Arlington top and dress. These first two are made with stretch suede. There's a mock turtleneck, a real turtleneck, and this awesome cowl neckline. It's so nice and drapey. You can hem them normally or at a hemband. There's lots of sleeve options, puff sleeves. I even modified one and made it a t-shirt by just not adding a turtleneck. Here you can see in a tiny video my 6 versions. I've made all the options available. The sizes go up to 5X. There's a standard bust and a full bust option. I sold the extra large with the standard bust option. The sweater knit polka dot dress is just so cute. It's got a center back seam for shaping. The next ones you see are made in rib knit, and I made them to wear under some garments. I added some extra details at the shoulders and the cuffs, just my own little hack. I've really enjoyed wearing them. I think it's a pattern that can take you a long way, and it's only $5 today. For all the versions that you're seeing, I have tutorials on my YouTube channel. You have a lot of fun making lots and lots of these. This pattern has great value because of so many things you can do with the sleeves, the neckline, the hems. Don't forget the Arlington today. It's an awesome pattern, and I'll see you soon. Bye.